available. Mommy, wait. Turn it up. Turn it up. Turn it up. Come on now. Hey. What you say? What you say? What you say? Let's go. Come on down. Come on down. See you right here now. Oh yeah, now. Give me that down. 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 Ahead. I'm in it. Ladies and gentlemen. Our go hostess in the building tonight. Come on. Hey, 1, 2, let's go. Center stage, no more singing here. Watch out. Watch out. 1, 2. Ladies and gentlemen, I got another couple making the way right now. Come on. Drink. Thank you so very much. Ladies and gentlemen, like I told you, Heaven's Gate, dance to Africa. And right here all the way from Zambia, Nigeria. Today in the coast city in Ogun State. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to give you the most scintillating couple of the year. The couple of the millennium, the couple of the year, the couple of the century. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to give you a king and his queen, the prince and the princess, the emperor and the empress. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. Make some noise. Make some noise. Make some noise for Harry and Annie. Let's do this, DJ.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
You know, me and Jizzy,
That's what's up.
Oh, man, this shit been the biggest.
Come on, energy up.
Let's go.
It's the Super Bowl. The different scenes, it's just two guys playing shit.
Ladies and gentlemen, we need the people that we are put to do their job, do their job. If you're not able to do their job, be the person. Stay by the seats. And use some picture on your phone, please.
Who to go? Who to go? Who to go? Who to go?
Holy Ghost, come on down. Let me take you out to track tonight. Are you ready? Come on there. Let's go. I like this style. I like that. Come on. I like that. Let's people down. 1, 2, let's go. Oh yeah, now. Sit down, you're on the long train. Run. Come on down. Ellie, get up and dance. And now you get up and dance. Ellie, get up and dance. And now you get up and dance. Give me the dance. Come on down. I said, let the music get control. Please, there's a firework coming on.
She keep finding pressure.
Let's go. Stop bending my camera. Stop bending this thing. Give me space.
Come on now, point yes.
Touchdown, I am back. So what's the plan with each other? I'm over somewhere that I love. If I can go.
What you say?
Do you? Do I look like I give a fuck?
Do you?
Do I look like I give a fuck?
You don't give a fuck about custom.
Do I look like I give a fuck?
Do you?
Do I look like I give a fuck?
Do you?
Do I look like I give a fuck? I don't give a shot or I close. Do I look like I give a fuck? Top man, if I name it, look up your hand and up and over. As you see me so, I'm going to be my. I feel music if I'm in the middle. What's she get? Make a feel like a get. One day you're not going to